Hi, it's Monica with Make Create, and I'm going to show you how to update your link on Facebook to link to your CoMoGives participant portal page. Well, not the participant portal page, to your participant page that's on the forward-facing part of the website. So in the past years, we've encouraged everybody to use this button. At that point in time, we could have a donate button on your pages, and now Facebook doesn't let you have a donate button unless you have signed up to take donations physically through Facebook. But for the purposes of CoMoGives, you can't actually accept donations through anything except for the CoMoGives website. So we're going to have to use the Learn More link, and it's not awesome, but it just is what it is. So I'm going to show you how to update your Learn More link to link to your CoMoGives participant page. So you're going to hop on out to Facebook and make sure that you are logged in as an administrator. I'm going to scroll over the button on my page and I will click Edit button. Then I'm going to go over to CoMoGives. This is my participant page. It says Global First Responder. This is the Global First Responder Facebook page. And I am going to copy the URL from the top. Control C, or you can right click and copy. Okay, so from here I'm going to pop back over to Facebook and I'm going to click Edit next to Configured. I'm going to click on the Facebook link. I will paste. Or you can right click and click Paste. And then click Save. And then click Finish. And now if I test my button, it will be popping me over into my Global First Responder CoMoGives page. It's super important that you do test your button because you just never know if it's actually going to work or not, even if you posted it correctly. So make sure to test your button. And now you're ready to roll. I would suggest doing this on either December 1st or on the last day of November. You don't want it to run before CoMoGives starts or after CoMoGives ends. So you would take it off on the first day of January because you want it to go back to your website to accept donations there, or back to Facebook to accept donations through Facebook. That is all. Thank you.